Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you guys? My name is Mahmoud. I'm Arabic language tutor. I teach Quran and Arabic to native speakers. So if you'd like to have a lesson online with me, you can email me here at ustazmahmoud184 at gmail.com. Today, inshallah, we're going to learn how to say in Arabic finally. How to say finally in Arabic language. And before we start our lesson, please guys don't forget to like this video and subscribe for the channel. And if you could share this video with your friends, I'll be really grateful for this because this really helps me a lot. Thank you. And let's see an example. How to say in Arabic, she finally got a job. She finally got a job. Well, we say أخيرا حصلت على وظيفة. أخيرا حصلت على وظيفة. أخيرا means finally. حصلت على she got. A job وظيفة. أخيرا حصلت على وظيفة. Finally, or she finally got a job. So, finally in Arabic language means أخيرا. And after it you add جملة. After it you add جملة, a sentence. Okay, so please look at these examples. They finally found the cat up on the roof. They finally found the cat up on the roof. So first we say أخيرا. أخيرا وجدوا القطة فوق السطح. أخيرا وجدوا القطة فوق السطح. وجدوا they found the cat القطة فوق upon السطح the roof. أخيرا وجدوا القطة فوق السطح. Okay, the next example. After years of hard work, his efforts finally bore fruit. Okay, after years of hard work, his efforts finally bore fruit. So finally, first we say أخيرا. Finally, أخيرا أثمرت جهوده بعد سنوات من العمل الشاق. أخيرا أثمرت bore fruit. Okay, جهوده his efforts. Okay. بعد سنوات after years من العمل الشاق of hard work. عمل work hard شاق. أخيرا أثمرت جهوده بعد سنوات من العمل الشاق. أخيرا أثمرت جهوده بعد سنوات من العمل الشاق. Okay, and the last one. My brother has finally finished his military service. My brother has finally finished his military service. So first we say أخيرا أنهى أخي خدمته العسكرية. أخيرا أنهى أخي خدمته العسكرية. أخيرا finally my brother أخي أنهى has finished خدمته العسكرية his military service. Okay, service خدمته military العسكرية. أخيرا أنهى أخي خدمته العسكرية. So أخيرا means finally. Okay, أخيرا وجدوا القطة فوق السطح. أخيرا أثمرت جهوده بعد سنوات من العمل الشاق. أخيرا أنهى أخي خدمته العسكرية. And that's the end of our lesson today. I hope it's useful for you, inshallah. If you have any question, please write in the comment and I will reply to you. Don't forget to make dua for me and for my family. Thank you, and I see you in other lessons, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.